What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB, aka Welcome back to another video, another banger. And I messed up. My dumb ass left my keys in the GTR. I'm supposed to be on my way to Cars and Coffee right now to help set up, but it's looking like I'm finna be late. I have a spare key, and the spare key doesn't work. Bro, who the put $146 in there? There's a Lambo right there. Sick! An SVJ? The top Aventador? What the fuck? That's fucking sick. An SVJ? That shit crazy! Where the fuck he go? The Evos is out. The Evo crew. Susie sounded loud. Everybody pulling up today. Y'all gotta start fucking with our meets, man. Everybody pulling up, man. Listen to everybody. G80 back there. Look at that shit looking good. All right, y'all, we have made it to the meet, and we have a lovely 400Z or just Z, however you want to call it, sitting in front of us. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this car. I think it's cool for what it is. Definitely not better than the Super though, like everybody was saying. Bunch of GTRs over there, R35, R35, but there is a Mark IV over there with a fat tire that I definitely want to go check out. So hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but I was just informed that my boy right here, top mount, pretty much fully built. Oh, I want that turbo setup so much. This looks fucking sick. This shit looks good. And it's gonna spool like a jet. This shit right here. Look how fat this tire is. Like, bro, this isn't just like the typical, that's way thicker than normal. And he's got the carbon rear hatch. The rear hatch is carbon. These are like the best taillights for this car. I want to see this shit on the freeway. I don't. And it's right-hand drive manual. Skinny's up front. Bro, and he's got the headlight duct straight to the turbo. This is like top tier Supras right here. Oh, he does have the NOS bottle pillow. Hey, you should do something like that. Look at that shit.
I know, that's yeah.
Bro, I've never seen a carnival ride on a car before.
That's a transformer.
Got this S13. This is, bro, I would love to build one of these. The rap hard wouldn't want to have one.
If I had one, I would do what he did do it. Like carbon out.
Yeah, I would definitely do the hard top conversion.
Oh yeah.
Cause that drop top shit is ass. Yeah, I think this is a clean example. And I like that wing. It's fucking fire. Yeah. All right, let's go to the 33. That's enough of that. Look at his lip, bro. That's the lip. That's a similar lip that you need right here.
Yeah. I want to get mine though in carbon fiber.
Yeah, this shit's sick, bro.
All inside, everything.
Everything is player, bro. He has the glove setup and everything.
He got the same steering wheel.
Yeah, he does? Yeah, it's just Alcantara, huh? He's got like the carbon little shit on the dash and the center console.
Damn.
By the shifter. He's got a leather shift boot. And he's got the extenders. That's like $2 grand.
That's, yeah, the Nismo wing.
Yeah. Oh. I have no idea what these are. If y'all could tell me in the comments. But they're pretty freaking sick though. I'm not gonna lie. That shit fire. Look a little fancy. Hey. It does have an SR in it. Oh, it's a Datsun? Look, that's the wing I was talking about that I could put on the R35. It's not the same. It don't have the same presence as the one on the Supra, but it's probably the one I would buy.
Good on this.
Yeah, it's probably the one I would buy if I had it. This shit really do got a 2J in it. It's crammed in there, but it's there. But it's in there though. There's soupy. Sick. And it's the turbo. Honda boys. What did he just give you?
He just gave me the keys to the 400Z.
To the 400Z? To the new shit?
And then he said start it up.
And he said start that mug. Okay.
That screen is huge.
That screen is player.
It's a little quiet.
It's a little quiet. Bro, it's spacious in here. Like way more room than the Supra. And this screen right here, that's...
It's kind of blind in the back.
It's blind side?
Oh yeah, like I got that much of seeing outside the back.
I like the interior. I really
It's
do.
great.
It's the exterior that's the problem.
Yeah.
And it's extra pulling up thick. I wish I'd get one of these. Yeah, these motherfuckers is expensive.
You were shocked.
Yeah, the RX-7 6. These aren't that expensive. You can probably get one of these for like 35 grand. G80. Bro, these G80s are so beautiful, bro. This R8 and this NSX pulled up together. I think it's a husband and wife thing, but this NSX is player. And I heard that it's tuned by Sheepy. Oh, look at all these NSXs that pulled up. It's crazy. Like the amount of people that came last time was great, but this time is a whole new thing. They just got R35s lined up, RX-7, got the Lolos, got carnival rides and shit. Alright, y'all, I had to stop and give me a little donut and a little chocolate milk. If y'all don't know, this is the best donut known to man that was ever created. It's called the Homer Simpson donut. My boy that built Supra is going crazy over here. I gotta vlog this. Ooh, yeah, I need that. I need one of them. Whatever he got, I want one of them.
Actually, no, I'm gonna do you one better.
Yeah.
Ready for it?
Oh shit. The studs on Susie fell off. I don't know how I got here alive, but by the grace of God we did. And my boy's hooking me up and making sure I get home the same way I got here.
Hey, Tal.
What the fuck?
Crazy sleeper, bro.
Yeah, that's just sick.
And right now it's pushing like 505. Damn. Yeah, this shit gets up because it's still the stock. It's still the stock V8.
This thing probably sounds sick.
Yeah, it's only pushing around like 9 PSI.
The way he got this thing set up, this thing do look like a damn little drift car.
Like the stock motor.
Got back, met up with my boy. Got the burger on deck, and we finna hit the road and see what that thing over there is talking about. Oh, what a bitch. Here? V8 turbo, you can hear that shit a lot. No way. No fucking way. No way it spools that loud. Bro. That shit's moving. I don't even... V8 turbo. I'm not gonna lie, I had no idea what kind of car that was before today. Imagine pulling up, trying to race that shit. It looks like a stock, regular, old lady Lexus.
And it's real world live too, so there's
Oh shit! Is this shoot flames? This bumper melted. Nah, it's just slow. Three, two, one. Oh, this shit is hella clean and it's all in Japanese. What? Why is this car so clean?
That's just touchscreen.
And it's touchscreen? The 33 wheel?
That's right.
This shit is mint.
Yeah, that should be talking this shit, bro. Got a little.
What the? Wait, what is this car called again? What is this?
It's a Nissan Cedric.
Cedric. I'm gonna name my son that. It's clean. The little badge right here is hard. What kind of motor is in it? Yeah.
It's the same motor that's in the 300ZX, just non-turbo. So it's the BG30.
Oh wow.
All right, nah, because your mama's gonna kill herself.
I got a stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bridge or yellow bone. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.